Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar. Now click on it and tap on the month above. Select the date by tapping on the chosen one, and when you're done, click add this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here you need to select event, and now you can customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or even weeks before, save your changes by tapping done, take notes, add location, add people from your contact books, and even pick starting hour or ending one. You can also turn off this feature completely by clicking on the switcher next to all day. When you're done, just click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, all you need to do is click on it over here, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. They are here, trust me, and tap on delete. Now delete again. And as you can see, my event is now officially gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!